Take a moment to imagine your life without family, without parental guidance or loved ones to call when you need advice, a helping hand, or just a hug. Yet thousands of children are faced with this prospect every year as they approach the end of their time in foster care. You Gotta Believe is the only organization in New York City that focuses on finding lifetime families for young adults, teens, and preteens before they end their time in foster care and run the extremely high risk of winding up homeless or worse. To find out how to become a permanent family to a youth in care, contact our offices at 718-372-3003 or visit our website at yougattabelieve.org, because we believe it's never too late for family.